This is my millipede house. This is a millipede house. This is a house for millipedes. A house.
For who?
Millipede. This is my house for the millipedes. I use hammer and wood mixed. Well, I made them with plastic and also toy little rolls. And there's a ball they can climb it. And here's the ball. This is my millipede house. I use wood to make it. We used a hammer to hit the nail in the wood.
Yeah. And then, oh, nice demonstration. And then how did you make it look pretty?
We used some paint, glitter,
Make it.
hammer, and nails. That pecan has a house, and they don't have. When it's right, they will be scared and sleep and play. Because I don't want to lose the millipede. Therefore, the millipede to sleep. So, if the millipedes are scared and someone's about to pick it up, we will pick it up and put it in the millipede house. They can stick to the trees.
Ellie?
They have 2,000 legs.
2,000 legs?
Yeah.
Or two?
And the millipede said she made to a bone.
Yeah, she turns into